Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2019 Honda Accord. We're going to be showing you how to remove your front door panel. You'll find one screw here. So these are the tools you'll need. You'll need a flathead, a clip remover, and a handheld screwdriver. In order to remove this cover here, you're going to want to use a flathead. There's a tab here you'll want to insert. Do a small turn to pry it open. Then you'll want to work your way here with the same flathead. You'll want to pry it up. Slowly, there it is connected. In order to remove this connection, you'll want to press it down on this tab and tug. Your screw is located here. You're going to use your handheld screwdriver to remove the screw. Once you've removed the cover and disconnected it, you'll want to use the same flathead. Pry this open just a little bit. You'll hear the click. This will help you remove the clips from the door panel. Put that aside. Once you remove your panel, you can set it aside. And in case one of the clips does get stuck to the door, you'll need that clip remover. Just insert and tug. And you can put it back on your door. Alright you guys, this is what your door would look like after the panel is removed. If you guys have any other questions on this specific vehicle, be sure to leave it on the comment section below. And that concludes the tutorial for today. If you need a tutorial on how to remove the rear door panels, you can go ahead and click the link here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.